Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can print a brochure in Canva, so let's get right into it. Firstly, to print a brochure, it is pretty much the same as printing anything else, so you just need to know and learn how you can print stuff through Canva. Now, it is not directly available through Canva itself, however, you can very easily download anything you create. Now, as you can see, I have this sort of project open, everything's been saved, and now what I want to do is go into share in the top right, and now you want to go into download with this downward facing arrow. You click that, and then you can select the actual format. PDF for printing is sort of the best that I have seen. You can compress the PDF, you can include notes in it, however I'm pretty sure those won't be printed. You can put markings or anything. I can't really figure out how to translate this. You can select a color profile. You can select RGB or CMYK for professional printing, and RGB is best for digital use. And then you can very easily just save the download data, and then afterwards download your project. After you do, you just print it normally as you would any other PDF, and that's basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.